Good afternoon. There seems to be a shortage of videos that show you how to remove the front panel on the type of LG dryer that I own. So I just want to show you very quickly how to do it simply. So that's my dog in the background, my apologies. This is my dryer. It's an LG. This is what the control panel looks like. And it is an LG DLG7201WE. And the way I took this apart, I already had it apart because I needed to convert it from natural gas to propane. So I've already done that part and I'm putting it back together. But I just want to show you while it's apart that it's very simple to take apart. When you have to lift the lid, you simply put in a flathead screwdriver, or in this case I use a little putty knife that's in bad shape, and you simply press in and up on these two metal clips, and that will release the top from the body of your machine. I then propped it up. I just had a paint bucket down here that I just set in there to keep the top up because I did not want to totally remove it and disconnect everything. So the next thing you want to do after you pop the top up is you're going to remove these two screws. One next to the clip and two next to the other clip. After that, you have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 screws to remove. After you remove those 8 screws, you simply lift up on your front panel gently and then swing it to the side. There will be one wire connected to your door. You can disconnect that very easily, or you can just leave it attached to your door while you swing it to the side. When you do lift it, after you lift it, you can shut the door panel and then swing it over out of the way, or disconnect it and set it gently out of the way. But it's very simple. As you can see, I was just about to tighten these screws. Make sure these two bottom screws here and here, that you identify those because they're a little bit longer than the others. So you want to make sure they go back in the same location. So that's it. Very simple to remove the front panel of this dryer without having to take the whole machine apart and disconnect a bunch of wires.